Former Congress State President Girish Chodankar on Wednesday attacked Union Minister Smriti Irani over the ownership of Silly Souls Bar restaurant. Girish alleged that Smriti Irani's family does own the restaurant as two companies owned by a husband and children own 75% stake in the company which actually runs the restaurant. Here's what the Congress revealed.
Ugraya Mercantile Private Limited and Ugraya Agro Farms Private Limited. These are two companies owned by Smriti Irani's husband and children. These two companies later invested in another company named Atol Food and Beverages. The Irani family, excluding Smriti Irani, owns the 75% stake in this third company. The issue raised by Congress's Girish Chodankar today was the fact that the GST number of this company is registered at the same address as Silly Souls Bar and Restaurant along with the same GST number. Listen to what Girish alleged.
The Silly Soul Cafe and Bar, it's an address at house number 452, Baudawado, Asgaon. And the company called Atol Foods and Beverages, having GST number 30AAIFE70SSH1ZM. And same GST is also the GST of Silly Souls Cafe and Bar, Asgaon. Registered office of this company and registered office of this Silly Soul Bar, Cafe and Bar. GST is same and registered address is same. Now, Silly Soul Bar is promoted by this very same company, that is Atol Foods and Beverages, which is limited liability partnership firm, and this firm is promoted by another family firm where Smriti Irani's husband Zubin Irani having 67% of the share, then another child Shannon Irani, Zoe Shirani and Joel Irani. But she claims and says she is proud of her daughter. Again, Zubin Irani, if you check the Instagram, in that Instagram, as the part of his biographic details, he is claiming that Silly Soul Cafe Goa is the part of his biographic details. These records are in public domain. The Atol Foods and Beverages Limited, the registration certificate issued by the ROC is here claiming the same address. Again, the accounts details of this company, when we found the details, they are very clear of how the funds were transferred to this company from Smriti Irani's family owned businesses. Plus this details that is filed by in the affidavit of election commission that was filed by Smriti Irani, her husband again claims that these both companies belongs to. This is the affidavit before the election commission. We have the details of the affidavit filed by the Smriti Irani during her elections, where all these companies' details are also available. So there is no doubt, no iota of doubt, no inch of doubt that Smriti Irani, the Union Minister for Women and Child Welfare, family runs this Silly Soul Cafe and Bar.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panjim.